Manager from Quicktron Robotics.
Hello everyone, I am Arslan, the Digital Marketing Manager at Quicktron Robotics. And today we are going to have a very exciting competition among us. It's about solving a puzzle. So here we have the picking robots. So these picking robots are a very important part of the quick picking system for warehouse automation. But today we are going to use it for a different game.
Yay!
So let's unbox it first and see what's inside. Well, I have never seen a robot in that many pieces before. Here we're going to start this. I'm a bit nervous today because I think she's going to win. Let's see who's going to win today. Let's start. Upura नहीं पाया.
Hey! This is a picking robot, and I don't know what is that.
Well, this is a new kind of a robot, but this model hasn't been approved yet.
No, it's not going to be proved. This is the efficient picking robot, and it is utilized for dynamic storage and retrieval.
Well, this can be a good toy for kids.
Or maybe.
Let's check the strength. Oh, so the picking robots are the strongest one. Bye bye.